find the 3D product models of the linear motion technology you need, right from Helix Linear's website. Let's take a look at the latest products available. From the homepage, go to Products. Today, we'll take a look at inch ball screws. Select a product from the list to get started. From the product page, scroll down to the CAD configurator. Use the drop-down options on the left to customize the product as needed. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the project, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer. The configurator offers a wide range of views, so you can see the critical dimensions and up-close details. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, standard features, and technical drawings. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more great products, go to helixlinear.com and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.